Instagram is one of the most popular social networks worldwide, especially among young adults. The photo-sharing app was born in 2010, purchased by Facebook in 2012, and has grown to over a billion users who log into their accounts every day. It is predicted that over 75% of U.S. businesses will use Instagram this year. 62% of people have become more interested in a brand or product after seeing it in stories. One-third of the most viewed stories are from businesses. According to Sprout Social, over half of global Instagram users are under 34 years old. The Pew Research Center indicates that adults 50-plus are the smallest group of adopters and are more likely to be found on Facebook and YouTube. Social media using Instagram with a business account. To create an Instagram business account, you will need to download the app with your smartphone and then sign up with your business email address. You can always switch to a personal account later, but it's better to start your business account fresh with a clear purpose and strategy. Choosing your bio photo. Your bio photo on Instagram is going to represent your business. Optimizing your bio. You have 150 characters in your bio to let users know who you are, what your business is about, and what is in it for them. Converting to an Instagram business profile. Once you have set up your profile and are ready to start posting for your brand, you will want to convert your account to a business profile. Doing so gives you demographic data on your followers, insights into how your posts are performing, and the ability to create promotions from your posts. In order to run a business profile on Instagram, you will need to link it to a Facebook business page. Social media Instagram. Types of Instagram posts. Though Instagram originally began as an image-sharing platform, users can now also share video content, image carousels, and stories. Instagram stories are photos and videos that appear at the top of the home screen and disappear after 24 hours. Like Facebook, Instagram has a live video function via stories that allows you to stream real-time video. Live videos are great to do Q&As with your followers, to give glimpses of real-time events, or to do a reveal in your business. Instagram TV is available to watch either in the Instagram app or the IGTV app. Reels. Instagram Reels is a brand new way to create fun and engaging video content. Similar to TikTok, Instagram users can record and edit together 15 to 30-second video clips set to music and share them to their stories, explore feed, and a new Reels tab on a user's profile. Social media Instagram. What and when to post to Instagram. What to post to Instagram as a photographer. You have the advantage of being able to create and share original content that shows off your unique brand and experience. Here are some popular types of content to inspire you. Behind-the-scenes images, actionable tips or ideas, client stories or testimonials, posts that promote a cause, inspiring or motivational quotes, beautiful landscapes, ask questions, offers, promotions, or giveaways. Social media Instagram. Growing your following and driving business on Instagram. Like any digital marketing venture, growing your following on Instagram takes an investment of time and strategic effort. Use your posts and your captions to educate, inspire, and entice your followers. Engage with your followers by liking their content or commenting on their posts. Be genuine, not spammy, and you will find that Instagram is a great platform to build community around your business. Being engaged Instagram is all about genuine engagement. That's why buying followers is one of the worst things you can do for your business on Instagram or on any social media channel. Develop and maintain your aesthetic. Just like its parent company, Instagram has a very crowded and competitive feed. In order to stand out, it's important to have a strong visual identity. As one of the biggest social media platforms in the world, Instagram will continue to grow and evolve as a marketing platform. It also has the power to help you reach new potential clients and to grow your photography business. By keeping a testing and learning mindset, you will learn what works for your photography business and what type of content, captions, and hashtags help you to reach your goals.